Hello students, how are you? Welcome back to another lesson for lines and angles, and this is Ms. Rashmi. Let's start with use of protractor and drawing of angles of different kinds. So you can draw that from the previous video. Once again I am telling you, suppose if I have to draw 110 degree, then I'll first put a straight line. I'll mark it as O and A. I'll put my T point over here like this, and my protractor should look like this line should fall on 0, and wherever there is like this should fall on 90. Then this is 100, 110, so this point is my 110. Mark it as B. Take a scale, draw it, extend it, mark it as B, and this is angle BOA, which is equals to 110 degree. So I hope everybody is able to do it. ठीक है, ड्रॉ एन एंगल. अच्छा डियर कैट्स, प्लीज़ फर्स्ट पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड आस्क द स्टूडेंट्स टू ड्रॉ ऑल द एंगल्स. इफ एंड ओनली इफ दे आर एबल टू ड्रॉ ऑल द एंगल्स, देन ओनली मूव अहेड इन द क्लास. ओके, draw an angle whose degree measure is same as the angle given below. How will you do that? First of all, you measure the angle using a protractor, and then you draw the angle. Okay, now types of angles, we have already done this part: acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. And then we have been given this grid where point A and join point A to other point in grid, so that you get a acute angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. So let me draw it for reflex angle. C part, line like this has been given. So if you draw it like this is a reflex angle. Okay, similarly a line like this has been given, slanting line this has been given. So if this is my reference point, ठीक है, and if I draw like this, तो this is my reflex angle. So in fact वो जो आपका डॉट्स हैं, उन डॉट्स को अगर आप ऐसे ज्वाइन कर लो, जैसे कि मैंने बताया दिखाया है आपकी फिगर के अंदर, तो वो आपका रिफ्लेक्स एंगल आपको मिल जाता है. ठीक है, नाउ यूज अ प्रोटेक्टर टू फाइंड आउट द मेजर ऑफ ईच. Then classify the angles based on acute, obtuse, and right or reflex. So you can find out the measure angle PTR, P, T and R. It's a very small angle, acute है. PTQ is also small angle, acute ही होगा ये भी. PTW is an obtuse angle, and WTP is PTW and WPT. Okay, WPT is a reflex angle. Why reflex angle? Because we are going in the clockwise direction, इसीलिए हम लोग उसको रिफ्लेक्स लेंगे. ओके, आपको बोला गया है कि एंगल TER, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर में एंगल TER को दिया हुआ है कि वो 80 डिग्री है. व्हाट इज द मेजर ऑफ BET? सो लेट मी टेल यू a very good fact about it, about complementary angles and supplementary angles. ठीक है, let's do the next part, that is complementary angles and supplementary angles. So when we are talking about complementary angles and supplementary angles, complementary angles are those angles that add up to 90 degree, and supplementary are angles that add up to 180 degree. लर्न करने का तरीका देखो. C for complementary, C for corner. कॉर्नर इज 90 डिग्री. ठीक है, एस फॉर सप्लीमेंट्री, एस फॉर स्ट्रेट, एंड स्ट्रेट इज 180 डिग्री. स्ट्रेट इज 180 डिग्री, करेक्ट. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स, जैसे कि मान लो मेरे पास एक 90 डिग्री का एंगल है, उसके बीच में एक वर्टेक्स और है, और वो दो एंगल बना रहा है ए और बी. इस केस में ए प्लस बी की वैल्यू होगी 90 डिग्री. एंड इफ सपोज मुझे दिया हुआ है कि ए की वैल्यू 44 डिग्रीज है, तो बी की वैल्यू कैन बी फाउंड आउट बाय सिंपली सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 44 फ्रॉम 90 डिग्री विच इज 46, करेक्ट. And supplementary angle means in a straight line, suppose there is this transversal line and it is making an angle x and y, so such that x plus y will be equal to 180 degree. So if I know my y की value is suppose 63 degrees, then x could be found out by simply 180 degree minus 63 degree, which is equals to 117 degree. So this is what a complementary pair and a supplementary pair is like. Please you can note this down dear cats. इस concept को आप थोड़ा सा और बच्चों को अच्छे से कराएं, कई बार कराएं, because this is a very important concept to be used in the higher classes. Supplementary pair and complementary pair. Now we are here saying figure it out on page 53. Now draw the angles with the following degree measure. This you can do on your own very easily. Estimate the size of each angle, then measure it using a protractor. This also you can do on your own. Make a figure with 3 acute angles, 1 right angle and 2 obtuse angles. So you have to make any figure that has got 3 acute angles, ठीक है, and 1 right angle and 2 obtuse angles. So this is a part of your imagination. You can do make anything, you can draw it like an art and you can show it to your teachers. Draw the letter M such that angle on the sides are 40 degree and the angle in the middle is 60 degree. What does this mean is, this means that this should be 40 degree, this should be 60 degree and this again should be 40 degrees. So you draw it like this. First you make the 40 degree, then you make the 60 degree and then finally you make the 40 degree again. Draw a letter Y such that the 3 angle formed by 150, 60 and 150. So this should be 60. Okay, and these two should be 150 and 150. So you draw the 60 degree first and then you draw a straight line. It will come out to be the same. Now, question number 6. The Ashok Chakra has 24 spokes. What is the degree measure of angle between? So this 24 strokes is same as the 24 angle वाला representation that we have done for the clock. कि अगर 24 spokes जो हैं is equals to 360 degrees बना रहा है, तो एक spoke कितना बनाएगा? 360 divided by 24, 12 twos are 12, 30s are and is equals to 15 degree. तो 1 spoke is equals to 15 degree का आपका एक spoke बन जाएगा. So what is the largest acute angle formed between these between two spokes? See, acute angle should be less than 90 degree, right? तो 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and 90 होता है, ठीक है, तो 75 should be the largest या नहीं? ये जो है एक स्पोक, ये जो है अशोक चक्र है और ये 90 डिग्री है और हर एक के बीच में देयर इज़ अ 15 डिग्री का वो 15, 60, 15, 60, 15, 30, 45, 60, ठीक है, and 75 and this should be 9. Yes, this should be 75. Correct? Now, there is this puzzle. Let's solve this together. I am an acute angle. If you double my measure, you get an acute angle. If you triple my measure, you will get an acute angle again. If you quadruple, matlab 4 times my measure, you will get an acute angle yet again. But if you multiply my measure by 5, you will get the obtuse angle measure. What is my possibilities? I think it should be 15 degree. डबल करोगे 30, ट्रिपल करोगे 45, क्वाड्रपल करोगे मतलब 15 4s are 60 you will get. But 15 no 15 5s are 75 होता है, that is also not. So now you know what you have to do, you can find this number out. Okay, so with this we have already completed our chapters of lines and angles, my dear students. So now I would really appreciate if you show your artwork, your activities to us, so that we could also appreciate them together. And also if there is any problem related to the chapter, you can send your queries so that we could have a discussion over that. So let's now start with the next chapter, that is number play. Okay, number play. So here we are talking about different numbers. We will talk about different operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we will also be like understanding the secret language of numbers. So first of all, there is, you can answer this question. मान लो children say 1 if there is only one taller child standing next to them, ठीक है, और a child says 2 if both the children next to them are taller. Child says 0 if none of the so suppose you make the children stand in a row like this. So you can say, if they are standing, suppose if the next child, one child is standing which is taller to the previous child, so the child says 1, but if he or she is shorter, he says 0. ठीक है, if there are 2 or like 3 children who are taller to him, 2 children, then he can say 2 children, he can say 2, 1, 0, 1, 0. So it's इस तरीके से can the children arrange themselves so that the children standing at the end says 2? No. end में अगर है तो उसके बाद तो कोई है ही नहीं, है ना, तो वो तो कभी 2 हो ही नहीं सकता. Can we arrange the children so in the line so all would say 0? ऑल वुड से 0 मतलब क्या हम उसको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कर सकते हैं, है ना. अगर हम डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में कर दें, सबसे टॉल को हम सबसे पहले खड़ा कर दें, तो उसके बाद तो कोई और टॉल है ही नहीं, तो वो 0 हो जाएगा. येस वी कैन अरेंज. कैन 2 चिल्ड्रन स्टैंडिंग नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर से द सेम नंबर? येस दे कैन से द सेम नंबर. अगर ये वाला बच्चा लाइक सपोज देयर आर 2 चिल्ड्रन, ये वाला बच्चा और ये वाला बच्चा और ये वाला बच्चा अगर साथ में खड़े हो जाए, तो इसके से टॉल ये है, तो ये भी 1 बोलेगा और ये भी 1 बोलेगा. सो येस वी कैन डू. देयर आर 5 चिल्ड्रन इन अ ग्रुप, ऑल द डिफरेंट हाइट, कैन दे स्टैंड टू ईच अदर दैट 4 of them say 1 and last one say 0? Yes, 4 of them can say 1 and last one will always say 0 because उसके बियॉन्ड तो कोई खड़ा ही नहीं है, है ना. तो अगर फर्स्ट बच्चा है उससे टॉल, उससे टॉल, उससे टॉल, उससे टॉल, सबसे टॉल बच्चा जो है उससे टॉल कोई है ही नहीं, तो 0. ओके. इज 1 1 1 1 1 पॉसिबल? नो, इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. ठीक है. 1 0 1 2 1 0 पॉसिबल? वाई और वाई नॉट? येस, इट इज़ पॉसिबल. इट इज़ पॉसिबल. ओके. How would you arrange the 5 children so that the maximum number of children, say 2? So this you find out how. Okay. Now there is this supercell. Dear cats, you can draw these kind of strips and you can get it copied, या फिर आप बहुत सारी copies खुद ही बना के बच्चों को दे सकते हैं. हमको ये बोला गया है ऑब्जर्व करो नंबर्स टेबल पे जो लिखे हुए हैं and see why there are a few numbers which are colored. ठीक है. Like 43, 79, 75, 63, 10, 29, 28. So if you look carefully to these numbers, like these are such numbers which is greater than both its both the numbers beside which it is there. ठीक है ना. Similarly मेरा जो 626 है वो 577 से भी बड़ा है एंड 343 से भी बड़ा है. सिमिलरली 790 भी एंड 198 भी. अ सेल इज कलर्ड इफ द नंबर इन इट इज लार्जर देन इट्स एडजेसेंट सेल. यस, 626 is colors as is larger than, whereas 200 is not colors because it is obviously not larger than 577. Now you have to color or mark the supercell given in the table below. So here I have been given a few number 6828, 670, 9435, 3780. Then I have 3708, 7308, 8000, 5583, and last is 52. Supercell are those numbers which will be greater than its adjacent. So this is greater, obviously this will be colored. Now if you look at 670, it is not, obviously it will not be colored. 9435 greater than both the adjacent numbers, it will be colored. 3708, it is not great to any of the numbers. This is not colored, this is not colored. Now this is greater than 3708 but less than 8000. So it will also not be colored. Now 8000, it is greater than all both the numbers adjacent to it and this. So this will be your supercell numbers that I have colored over here. Now you have to fill the table with only 4-digit number such that supercells are exactly the colored cells. Supercells are exactly the colored cells. So that means you have to 4-digit number you have to write such that the supercells are exactly the colored cells. So basically यहाँ पर जो कलर्ड सेल्स हैं वही सुपर सेल बने, ऐसा आपको मतलब जो कलर्ड सेल्स है वही आए. तो आपके पास एक नंबर है 5346. अगर यहाँ पर 5346 है तो ऑब्वियसली यहाँ पे मैं एक नंबर लिख सकती हूँ 6346 और उससे छोटा नंबर मैं यहाँ पे लिख सकती हूँ जो कि होगा लाइक एनीथिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज 5, दिस हैज़ टू बी लाइक 6 और समथिंग, एंड because this is colored, this is colored, and over here I have got one more number 1258 जो कि larger है यहाँ के नंबर से. ओके तो यहाँ पर इस तरीके से आपको फिल करना है. आई थिंक देयर इज सम मिस्टेक ओवर हियर. लेट मी जस्ट फिगर आउट बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर शुड बी एनी नंबर ओवर हियर. But then you can figure out. Now question 3 में fill the table below such that we get as many supercells as possible. This you can draw on your own. Use number between 100 to 1000 without repetition. Out of 9 number, how many supercells are there in the table above? This you can draw or you make when you are doing the question number 3. Found out how many supercells are possible for different number of cells. So supercells could be maximum 3 or 4, not more than that. You can check that on your own also. Maximum 4, not more than that. Okay. Can you find a supercell table without repeating numbers such that there is no supercell? Why or why not? Can you fill a supercell table without repeating the numbers such that there are no supercells? No, it is not possible, because at some point either you write all the numbers in the descending orders or ascending a particular order. Okay, then supercell is not allowed, possible. Otherwise it will be possible. Ascending or descending order में supercells will not be possible. Then with the cell having the largest number in a table always be the supercell? No, it is not necessary. Yes, largest, yes, like this is the largest number, it is a supercell. Why or why not? Find a table such that cells having the second largest number is not a supercell. Now here, this was the largest, this was the second largest. Here both of them are supercells when they are arranged in a different cells. But if they are arranged adjacent to each other, only one of them will be a supercell. Only the one which is larger will be a supercell. Right? So I hope this supercell concept is clear to everyone. But the smallest number with the supercell. Fill in the table such that the cell having the second largest number is not supercell, but the second smallest number is a supercell. So here if you look, okay, always. So you can draw this. You can make a lot of variation with this puzzle. Supercell is nothing but all you have to remember is a number whose adjacent numbers are smaller than the given number. That's it. Okay, so you can have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 or 10 का आप बना सकते हैं and you can compare it. Similarly, supercell activity can be done using more of the rows. You can add more rows to it and you will have to find out, like if this is a number, every number above it and below it should also be smaller. Okay, so this could be done, like table 1 and 2 has been given, 1 has been given, you can complete the table number 2. Now let us move on to the next topic, that is patterns of numbers. Patterns of numbers and number line. Now if suppose there is this number line, okay, which has got 1000, 2000, 3000 and so on. Okay, we have to place the appropriate position. The number is like 2180. So 2180 is obviously nearer to this 2000, whereas 2758 will be somewhere over here. So this is like 2754 and this is 2180. So you have to compare nearness. Similarly, यहाँ पे दिया identify the numbers marked on the number below and label the remaining position. So यहाँ पर आपको if you are given 210 and एक छोड़ के 220, sorry 2010, 2020, so 2005 would come in between, like यहाँ पे 2010 was there and sorry 2020 is here, so over here it should be 2015. Okay, so you can fill in the other parts also 5 के gap पे. You can do it. Then 9996, 9997, other will be 9998. Similarly 15077, 15078, 15079 and so on. 86705, 87705, then 88705 and 85705. Okay. Smallest and largest you can put a circle and you can start. Now if you remember your previous classes, वहाँ पर हम लोगों ने प्लेस वैल्यूज़ खेली थी, है ना, प्लेस वैल्यू टेबल्स बनाए थे. Now you have there, we have to start writing numbers from 1, 2, 3 and so on. There are 9 one-digit number. Find out how many numbers have 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. So you have to count your 2-digit number, means 11, 12, 13 and so on up till 99 you have to count. Then 100 to 999, then 1000 to 9999. This you have to count and tell us what is the pattern that you see. Okay. Now here is the sum of digits of the numbers. Sum of digits of the number. कि भाई for example अगर एक number है 68 will be same as the digits of 176. Like 68 का अगर मैं sum करूँ 6 plus 8, so this is 14. And also if I add 176, this is 1 plus 7 plus 6, this is also 14. So write other numbers whose digits add up to 14. You can do this. ठीक है. In fact, you can find a lot of numbers which has got same, sum, so that you could play with your friends with it. ठीक है. अब आता है पैलिंड्रोमिक नंबर. जैसे कि हम पिछली क्लास में हमने देखा था पैलिंड्रोमिक नंबर हमने एक पढ़ा था. So you can write down a number which is सेम, रेड एज सेम. तो पैलिंड्रोम का मतलब क्या होता है? पैलिंड्रोम का मतलब होता है उल्टा सीधा एक समान. लाइक पैलिंड्रोम अगर मैं इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में देखूं तो एक वर्ड है मैडम, MADAM. मैडम इफ यू रीड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट is मैडम, and from right to left is still मैडम. So these kind of words are known as palindromic numbers. ठीक है. अब palindromic words, palindromes basically 1 to 1, 1 2 3 2 1, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. These are palindromic numbers. 2 2 2, 1 1 1, 6 6 6. These are palindromic numbers. ठीक है. And many more. When you add a palindromic number, ठीक है, basically when you basically get like reverse को जब हम ऐड करते हैं किन्हीं भी दो नंबर्स के तो हमें पैलिंड्रोम्स मिलते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल 34 और 43 को जब मैं ऐड करूँगी तो मुझे 77 मिलेगा, विच इज़ अ पैलिंड्रोमिक नंबर. 29 92 को ऐड करूँगी तो 9 10 11, 9 10 11 and 12 121 मिलेगा, विच इज़ अ पैलिंड्रोमिक नंबर. सिमिलरली 27 and 72 is 99 and so on. So when we add the number and its reverse, what we get is a palindromic number. So this is all what is there for today. Dear students, there is a small activity for you. Find out a lot of numbers, at least 5 numbers, add them together and see whether you are getting a palindrome number or not. Till then, that's enough for today. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.